Hello, candidates, and welcome to Government Crackers. So, here in this session, we are going to discuss all the important indices of 2020, and we'll also be discussing about the India's rank on various such indices that are released on 2020. This is the third part of the current affairs. So, here in this series, basically, before one day of examination, we are discussing the most important questions that have the probability to come into the examination upon their relevancy. Okay? Also, from tomorrow onwards, we'll be also telling you the exact question shift wise that will be coming into the examination. So you can stay tuned and subscribe to Government Crackers. And also for further AFSB preparations, we will be planning classes for that, and we have certain courses also available on the website, so you can visit www.governmentcrackers.com and avail those courses at a very affordable cost. Okay, so let us start with this session. So first of all, the first important index is International Intellectual Property Index, which is released by US Chamber of Commerce Global Innovation, and उसमें इंडिया की जो रैंक थी that is 40th. जो फर्स्ट रैंक था वो भी मैं बता दे रही हूँ, that is US. Next important index is Child Flourishing Index Ranking, which is again released by UN, and उसमें इंडिया की जो रैंक थी that is 77th. नेक्स्ट इज नेचर रैंकिंग इंडेक्स 2020. नेचर से रिलेटेड सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन इंपॉर्टेंट होगी, बिकॉज इस बार का जो 2020 का एनवायरमेंट डे का जो थीम है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो टाइम फॉर नेचर एंड सेव नेचर. तो इस रिस्पेक्ट से इन्वायरमेंट रिलेटेड जो एस्पेक्ट्स जितने भी होते हैं दैट ऑल्सो बिकम्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट, तो आपको उनको ज़रूर कवर करना चाहिए. So here, जो first rank थी that was to CSIR, that is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Next important index is World Happiness Index, जो कि UN रिलीज करता है, जिसमें इंडिया की रैंकिंग 144th है and Finland is the first country. Next is Economic Freedom Index 2020, which is published by Heritage Foundation, and इसमें इंडिया की रैंक है 128th. First rank is Singapore. नेक्स्ट इज 34th फोर्ब्स बिलियनियर लिस्ट, जो रिलीज होती है थ्रू फोर्ब्स, जिसमें इंडिया की रैंक थी 17th पोजीशन, बिकॉज मुकेश अंबानी विथ 44.8 बिलियन ऑफ मनी. फर्स्ट रैंक थी अमेजॉन फाउंडर एंड सीईओ जेफ बेंजोस, हैज टॉप स्लॉट एज वर्ल्ड्स रिचेस्ट मैन, जिसकी वर्थ थी $113 बिलियन. ठीक है, एंड सेकेंड रैंक वॉज बिल गेट्स विथ $98 बिलियन. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इंडेक्स इज FIFA's test ranking released by FIFA. इंडिया की रैंक है 108 and first rank है Belgium, second France, third Brazil. Next important report is Global Press Freedom Index published by Reporters Without Borders. India's rank is 142nd. Times Higher Education Impact Ranking released by Times, and India's ranking is 57th with IIT Kharagpur, and the first rank is University of Auckland. Next is Budget Transparency Accountability released by International Budget Partnership. India की rank 53rd है, first rank is New Zealand. नेक्स्ट इज रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट स्टैटिस्टिक एंड इंडिकेटर्स में, जिसमें जो रिलीज होती है नेशनल साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, जिसमें इंडिया की रैंक 3rd है. फर्स्ट इज यूएस, सेकेंड इज चाइना. Next is top 50 of FT Executive Education Ranking. India's rank here is 45. IIM Bangalore only is the Indian institute in this ranking. Rest, first rank goes to IESC Business School, University of Navarra. Next is WEF's Global Energy Transition Index released by Geneva-based World Economic Forum. India की rank 74th है, first rank is Sweden. Next is Forbes 100 highest paid athletes released by Forbes. India's rank is 66th with Virat Kohli, $26 million. And the first position is occupied by Roger Federer with $106.3 million. Second, Ronaldo, and third, Messi. Next is world's highest paid female released by Forbes, and the first rank goes to Naomi Osaka, Japan. Next is Startup Ecosystem Ranking released by Startup Blink. India's rank is 23rd. First rank is US with 3 key factors: quality, quantity, and business environment. Next is Forbes highest paid celebrities released by Forbes. So India ranks 52 with Akshay Kumar. Next is the Asia University ranking released by Time Higher Education. So India ranked 47th, 55 and 59 with IIT Ropar, IIT Indore and IIT Kharagpur, and the first rank goes to Tsinghua University, China. Second rank is Peking University, China. Next is FSSAI Food Safety Index for 2019-20 released by Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. So among the smaller states, Goa came first, followed by Manipur and Meghalaya, and first rank was largest state Gujarat has topped, followed by Tamil Nadu. Next is Environmental Performance Index 2020 released by Yale and Columbia University. India ranks 168th. First position is occupied by Denmark. Next is 2020 Cost of Living published by Mercer's. India ranks 60th position with Asia 19th, Mumbai, World Bank, and first position is occupied by Hong Kong. Next is NIRF ranking 2020 released by Ministry of Human Resource. Rank 3 to Banaras Hindu University. First rank goes to Indian Institute of Science. Second, Jawaharlal Nehru University. Next is QS World University ranking released by Quackwillie Simons. India ranks 172 with IIT Bombay and then rank 185 with IISc Bangalore. Massachusetts Institute of Technology in USA ranks first. Next is Safety and Risk Assessment of National Tackling COVID-19 released by Deep Knowledge Ventures. India ranked 56th. First position is occupied by Switzerland. Next is FIFA's latest ranking released by FIFA. India occupies first 108th position with first rank goes to Belgium. Next, Nature Index 2020 released by Nature Research. India ranks 12th, United States of America tops. Next is Pharmacy College ranking. So HRD Ministry releases this report. Second rank goes to Punjab University Chandigarh. First rank goes to Jamia Hamdard, New Delhi. Next is World Competitiveness Index. Institute of Management and Development releases this report. India ranks 43, Singapore ranks first. Next is CIPRI's Yearbook 2020 released by Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. India ranks 6th with first rank US, second Russia and third UK. Next is Most Valuable Firm globally by market capital. India ranked 57th with Reliance Industries $150 billion. First rank is Saudi Aramco with $1,764 billion. The Young University ranking released by Time Hires Group. India ranks 62nd position with IIT Ropar and the Hong Kong University and Science and Technology tops. Next is Accounting Money in Swiss Bank released by Swiss Central Bank. India ranks 77th and UK tops the position. Next is Sustainable Development Report, very important. India ranks 117, topped by Sweden. Next is Inform Report 2020 by Research Center Inform. India ranks 31st, topped by Somalia. Next is Global Real Estate Transparency Index. India ranks 31st, topped by Somalia. Next is Cancer Preparedness Index released by Economic Intelligence Unit. India rank 8, topped by Australia. Global Manufacturing Risk Index released by Cushman and Wakefield Report. India ranks 3rd, tops by China. Next is Billionaire Index released by Business Magazine Forbes. India ranks 5th position with Mr. Ambani's wealth and Jeff Bezos, Gates and Bernard Arnault and family. Mark Zuckerberg occupies 4th position. Next is Surveilled Cities Index, which is UK-based comparative. Hyderabad is 16th, Chennai is 21st, Delhi ranked at 33 and topped by Taiwan, China. Next is Global Forest Research Assessment released by United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization. India ranks 3rd, topped by China. Next is Future Band Index released by PwC Global. India ranks 2nd. First position is occupied by Apple. Next is Fortune Top 100 Companies released by Fortune. Reliance Industries on number 96th and topped by Walmart. Next is Highest Paid Actors released by Forbes. So it is Akshay Kumar with 6th rank and Dwayne Johnson with $87 million top the list. Next is digital quality of life. So it is released by Surfshark. India occupies 57th position, topped by Denmark. Next is export preparedness index released by Niti Aayog, and first rank is given to Gujarat. Next is global list with average monthly wage, so released by Picodi.com. India ranks 72nd with 32,800. Switzerland tops. And last but not least is Swachh Sarvekshan 2020, which is released by Union Urban Development Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. So India here states with over 100 cities, top cities with Chhattisgarh, states with less than 100 cities, top Jharkhand. Among the towns along the bank of river Ganga is top Varanasi. And India's cleanest city, first city goes to Indore MP, second Surat, Gujarat, third Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, in less than 1 lakh population category. Alright, so this was all that the important indices of 2020, and best of luck to everyone for all your exams. Last minute revision है, last minute preparation है, जो भी आपने पढ़ा हो बस उसी पे फोकस करिए, उसी को प्रिपेयर करिए, and best of luck. जय हिंद.